Hello, hello, bonjour les amis. Hello and welcome to another French lesson with George. So today I am going to see together with you the collège. So the collège, what do you do? It can be the collège, it can be the lycée, it can be the university. So what do you do? You are a student. What do you do? How to speak about your life? How to speak about your life. If you want, at the end of this lesson, you can write a small essay and you can even write it down in the comment section and I will look at it and tell you what I think about it. Okay? So if you want, you can do this kind of homework and give it to me on YouTube in the comment section. You write, I will answer you. So in France, first what you need to know is college is not like in the US. The college in France is the middle school. So au collège, the middle school. Okay. So au collège. First of all, here you have the collège, and in collège, this is what we call brainstorming. So when you need to write some essay, you need to think everything that's around the collège. So repeat after me. Au collège, au collège, au collège. So what is behind au collège? Le collège. Le collège. Le collège. Le collège, it means the building, how it is. Is it big? Is it small? Le collège. So here you have le collège. La classe d'âge. So la classe. You can say la classe. La classe means which year you are here. You are in the first year, you are in the second year, okay? La classe. La classe. La routine. La routine is everything that you do every day. La routine. Les cours, the class. Les cours. L'uniforme scolaire. So maybe au collège you need to wear a uniform. Okay. Le collège, what's the Les profs, the teacher. Of course you have the teacher. And you also have the students. Les matières. What the topic? What do you study? Mathematics, history. Okay, college. What else do you have? Les devoirs. We have a lot of homework. The homeworks. What else do you have at the college? Les voyages. Maybe at the college or at school, you will go on traveling with the classmate. What else do you have? L'avenir. Why am I here studying at this place, in this middle school or in this high school? Because I want to do something after. What am I going to do after? You know, what is it for? Right, l'avenir. So le collège. Collège, you can say where is it located? So you can say au collège. Talk about your college, talk about your middle school or your university or your high school. You can say mon collège is at Paris, est à Paris, et à Londres, London. Or which country? Et en Chine. Is it what type of college? Is it a big one, a small one, a good one, a bad one? You know, what's the name of your college? Mon collège s'appelle. Mon collège s'appelle. Mon collège, what type is it? Is small, est petit. Is small, is big. Describe it. Okay. What do you have? La routine. What do you do every day here? Maybe you will travel, voyage. Maybe every day. How long? At what time do you arrive? Donc au collège. Je vais au collège à 8 heures. Je reviens. I come back home. Je suis à la maison à 4 heures. Okay? How about the break? À midi, at lunchtime, what do you eat? How long do you have the break? Every day, how many hours do you need to stay there? How about the class? How many hours class do you have every day? You know, how long does it last, one class? How many do you have each week? 36, 30, 20? Do you wear a school uniform? What about the school uniform? What do you think about it? You don't like it? It's ugly, it's nice, it's cool. How about the professor, the teacher? Do you like them? Don't you like them? Who is your favorite teacher? Les matières. What do you think about the matière? What's your opinion? Which do you like? Do you have some club, students club? Do you have a sport? Okay. Les devoirs. How many homework do you have? Do you have too many homeworks? What do you think about homework? Do you think it's useful? Do you think it's boring? Do you think it's too much? It's too hard? Okay. There's something you can add here that I didn't write. There are many things you can add. For instance, the exercise, you know, the grade. Are you a good student or a bad student? How many students do you have? About the students, you can ask how many students do you have? How many classmates do you have for one class? Where do they come from? Do you have many friends? What else can we write? We can write about the grade, the exam. So how often do you have some exam? Do you like the exam or not? Is it hard? Is it stressful? Do you feel stressed? You know, all this. So let's see how you can write. And as I told you, write down in the comment section and just repeat after me. So this is how to write the essay. Okay? Mon école, mon collège ou mon université, my university, s'appelle, and then you can give the name. Mon école s'appelle, c'est, is it a big one or a small one? C'est une grande université, ou c'est une petite université, ou c'est une université moyenne. Is it expensive? Is it cheap? You know, how many people do you have? C'est un collège, ou c'est une université, et maybe it's private, très cher, c'est cher. Ou c'est gratuit, it costs no money, it's free. How many people do you have? De 4000 élèves. Pour les élèves ont, I don't know, maybe they are 12 years old to 16 years old, ont 12 à 16 ans. Les élèves ont 12 à 16 ans. Where is your college? Il se trouve à Londres. Il se trouve près du supermarché, next to the supermarket, ou next to, ok. Il a 800 000 élèves en tout. Dans ma classe, nous sommes 24-30. Les bâtiments sont modernes ou les bâtiments sont anciens. Il y a une bibliothèque. Ok. There are many things you can say. La classe d'âge. So you can say, je suis en, in France we say terminal is the high school, is the last year before university. Terminal, première, seconde, troisième, quatrième, cinquième, sixième. Okay, so you can talk about yourself. Okay, classe d'âge. Usually when you have an essay like this, the first thing that you will say, first start to talk about the environment. So you want to talk about your studies, start to talk about, for instance, the university. Where is my university? How big is it? How many teachers? Then you talk about yourself. How old are you? How many class do you have? What's your age? Are you in the last year or in this year, the year before the last, or in second, en troisième? Hein? And then every day, how do you do? So tous les jours. Je prends le bus. Ou je prends la voiture. Ou je prends le vélo. Ou je prends le train. Ou je marche, I walk, tous les jours. How many hours? Je prends le bus, or 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Ou je prends la voiture, 30 minutes. Ou je marche 5 minutes, I walk 5 minutes. What time do you come back? Je rentre à 5 heures, 6 heures. Je quitte la maison à 8 heures, 9 heures, 7 heures, okay? So we have many different way. Maybe I will ask you, what is this one? You can make a break and try to do it. Okay, to make a pause. Look at the screen and try to do it. I will just correct. Okay. Tout ça c'est autobus. This one is vélo, bicycle. This one is voiture. This one is train. This one is car de ramassage. Car de ramassage is the bus for the school bus. And this one is pied, à pied, walking. Okay. Le voyage. Okay. Here. Okay. And now what we'll do is the timetable. So you can write down some timetable and explain about your timetable. So, lundi, j'ai cours. J'ai 2 heures. Combien? How many? I have 2 hours. J'ai 2 heures de cours. Mardi, j'ai 1 heure de cours. Mercredi, j'ai 4 heures. 4 heures de cours. Jeudi, j'ai 3 heures de cours. Vendredi, j'ai 4 heures de cours. D'accord? Nous avons, ou j'ai 4, 5, 6, 7 cours par jour. Et chaque jour, you can say, nous avons 1 heure de pause. 1 heure de pause. 1 hour break. Oui, nous avons 1 heure de pause à 10 heures. Ou nous avons 2 heures de pause à déjeuner. D'accord? How many hours break do you have? Okay. How many classes do you have? Les cours commencent à 9 heures et finissent à 4 heures. Il y a une pause de 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, de 30 minutes à 10 heures. À midi, on peut manger à la cantine ou à la maison. Pendant la pause déjeuner, je mange, je parle avec mes amis, je joue au football, je travaille, okay? Ou je fais mes devoirs. About the uniform. En Angleterre, au Royaume-Uni, il faut porter un uniforme scolaire. Les garçons portent un what the boys wear, you know, les garçons portent un, maybe you can say, un pantalon. Les garçons portent une chemise. Les garçons portent une cravate. Et les garçons portent une, quoi ça c'est, une, peut-être un blazer. Et les filles portent une jupe. Les filles portent des chaussures. Les filles portent des chaussettes. Les filles portent un pull-over. Les garçons et les filles peut-être portent une cravate. Do you like or don't you like? J'aime. Je n'aime pas. Je déteste mon uniforme. And why? Parce qu'il est pas beau. Parce qu'il est beau. Je préfère porter un jean. Je préfère porter un t-shirt. Je préfère porter. Okay. So here we are. Can you please? You can make a break. And try to link the different words for the uniform. Okay. Yeah. Une jupe. Un pull. Un pantalon. Des chaussettes. Une cravate. Une veste. Une chemise. Oui, très bien. Des chaussures. Then we have also the colors that you can talk about the uniforms. Bleu. Just repeat after me. Bleu. Noir. Vert. Gris. Jaune. Rouge. Rose. Blanc. Violet. Orange. Here you cannot see, but it's marron. Okay. And then you have now another part, c'est les matières. So what do you like to do at school? Okay. J'étudie la religion, les mathématiques, la science, la géographie, l'histoire, l'informatique, le théâtre, I'm not sure, la peinture, la musique, l'art, le sport, les langues, peut-être le dessin. Okay. L'anglais, peut-être l'anglais, le français. And then j'étudie. Then you can say I'm good at. Je suis fort. Or I'm weak. Je suis faible en mathématiques. J'aime. Je n'aime pas. J'adore. Je déteste. Ma matière préférée. The things that I prefer is. Why? Parce que. Okay. So let's try and link again make a pause for the video and let's try and link. Okay, and I will continue, but you can make a pause. Okay. Donc, éducation religieuse, religion. Mathématiques, sciences, géographie, histoire, informatique, théâtre ou art dramatique, EPS ou sport, musique, okay? And here we have, what is it? I'm not sure. I didn't see it. ENT, bon, I think it's R. And here is anglais. The last one is français. Très bien. Un dessin. Then you can talk about the teacher, les professeurs. Que c'est le professeur est sympa, cool, intéressant, drôle, marrant, sévère, embêtant, ennuyeux, ennuyeuse. Donc you can say which teacher. Le professeur de mathématiques est sympa. La professeure de dessin est ennuyeuse. Le professeur de sport est cool. La professeure de and whatever. Okay. Then you can say at the break, à la pause déjeuner. Je vais, I go where, and what do you do? Je fais, on joue. D'accord? So, à la pause, je joue au football. Je joue au basketball. Je fais des photos. Je joue à l'ordinateur. Je danse. Je fais du théâtre. Je fais du sport. Je fais mes devoirs. Je travaille. D'accord? Je joue aux échecs. There are many things you can do. Now, let's again make a pause and try to answer this, and I will just do it together. Le football, le théâtre, l'athlétisme, le sport, la lecture, la photographie, le basket, le dessin, la danse, l'informatique, les échecs. Okay. Then you can also speak about your homework. Les opinions. What do you like? Do you like? You don't like? Okay, so you say les voyages, les devoirs. Okay, what do you like? You can say j'ai. Par exemple, les devoirs. J'ai trop de devoirs. C'est fatigant. Les devoirs, c'est fatigant. Les devoirs, c'est intéressant. Ou alors, je voyage. C'est super. You can discuss about all this. Here is a typical sentence. Quand j'étais en 5e, j'ai voyagé. Je suis parti en voyage scolaire. Je suis allé aux États-Unis. Nous avons visité. Nous avons fait du ski. Nous avons fait de l'escalade. Nous avons fait du bateau. C'était bien. C'était fatigant. J'ai aimé, je n'ai pas aimé, c'était ennuyeux. Nous sommes allés au marché, nous sommes allés au parc d'attractions. Je suis allé en France, je suis allé. Okay. The future, l'avenir. L'année prochaine, je vais travailler, je vais aller au lycée, je veux aller à l'université, je veux être policier, je veux être facteur, je veux être cuisinier, je veux être professeur, je veux être dentiste, je veux être coiffeur. Okay? So here are the jobs. Okay? So again, pause the video and I will just look with you together. Okay? So facteur, factrice, professeur, médecin, dentiste is for the teeth. Okay? Agent de police, policier, secrétaire, coiffeur, coiffeuse, mécanicien, mécanicienne, chef de cuisine, cuisinier. So here we are done with all this. It's a very long lesson today, but what you need to remember, and that's the most important, so let me just go back to the first slide. So whenever you need to do some essay, you need to do an essay, it is always the same. So you have to first write down on some paper everything that you can discuss. So here it is about university or studies. So you need to think, okay, university, what can I say? Let me just go back to the first slide. So university, what can you say about university? Okay, you can talk first about your university or about, and that's the first thing, university, how is it? My university is big, my university is small, here we are. Okay, so my university or my high school, it is big, it is small, how is it? Where is it? How is it? First, talk about the university. Then talk about yourself. Every day I go there. What do I do? Okay. Then talk about what you like. Talk about what you don't like. Talk about the homework. Talk about the break time. Talk about the future. There are different topics, and each topic you can talk more. Okay. So here is all these topics relate to the school life, school life, teachers, me, the school uniform, the future, okay? So again, try to write something if you want, and you can post it in the comment section, something very, very short, and you can say something, write something, maybe 5 lines or 6 lines, just a comment, then I can check it. And that's also the way that you need to answer. No matter what's the topic, if you need to write something, that's how to organize your thought. Au collège, Okay, merci les amis, thank you, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and write down a comment. À bientôt, au revoir les amis, and don't forget, vive le français!